Hi, I'm Marcie from Marcie and Mommyland.
And I'm Owen.
And today we're doing our Stitch Fix Kids unboxing and review video. Owen got to do a Stitch Fix Kids box about a year ago, and he has been asking me seriously every single month, when is he getting another Stitch Fix Kids box? So today's your lucky day.
Yes, it is.
Are you super excited?
Yep.
What are you hoping is inside?
Maybe some stylish stuff.
Oh, I don't know. We're gonna have to find out. But he wants to do this unboxing all by himself.
Kind of.
Kind of.
Cause Mom's gonna be in the first part and then do the ending.
Yep. Alrighty. So should we open up the box and see what's inside?
Yep.
All right.
I like the inside because you can turn it into lots of different things, like a car or a mailbox or a box with stars inside or glue.
What's inside your box?
Now. They think they got 2 packets.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Okay, the first item is this one.
What do you think about it?
I like it. It feels really soft. And it has not too much button downs.
Yeah, it's only 3.
Yeah.
Cool. What do you think of the color?
I like the color orange.
Awesome. What else did you get?
Next part. Ooh. Flamingos.
What do you think of that shirt?
I like it because there's giant flamingos in a little town.
Yeah. Do you want to show them the front of it again? That's pretty cute.
It feels kind of rough,
Yeah?
but kind of soft too.
Okay.
So I would say medium.
Oh, if you like it or not?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's medium. Next item. Ooh. We have some palm trees on the shorts.
What do the shorts feel like?
On the inside, they feel warm.
Oh, are they like sweatpants kind of?
Yeah, kind of like sweatpants.
Cool.
And I would say thumbs up.
You like them?
Yeah, I like them.
Thanks.
Next item. Okay, there's some shorts with pockets with red lines across. It feels nice.
Cool. What do you think about them?
I would say 10.5 out of 10.
Oh, wow. So you really like them?
Yeah.
Do you like them more than the palm tree ones?
No, palm trees are 10 out of 10. These are 9 out of 10.
Sure. Okay, what else did you get?
Hey, time to open the next chocolate box.
Wow, there's a lot of stuff in this one.
Yeah. Don't know what one I'm supposed to open first, but who cares? It comes from LAZER, but I definitely have like some of these.
You have pants that look like those?
Yeah. But like, I would recommend a 10.5 out of 10.
Okay, so that means you really, really like it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Next item. Ooh. Okay. There's a huge sign saying Marvel.
Yeah? Do you think it does anything special?
Yes, it does.
So what does it look like now? Can you show?
Now it looks like this.
Oh, so it says Marvel, but it said Marvel before. It's just switched the colors?
Yes.
Cool. Well, that's fun.
To tinfoil red.
Mm-hmm.
I like them.
Mm.
Next one is seeing this.
What is crazy about that shirt?
I like it because there's a motorbike with half human and there's a lion's head on there.
Do you want to show them what it looks like again? Can you want to go a little bit closer? Whoa, funny.
And I would give it a 10 out of 10.
Cool.
Getting a so we have a dinosaur shirt, seems like, and I like it.
Yeah? How does it feel?
Not too soft, not too hard, medium. And I like it,
Yeah.
but not more than the palm trees. Ooh, getting interesting. So we have shark. We have shark swimsuit. Well, not swimsuit, I mean maybe, but.
Yeah, I think it's a swimsuit. Is the shirt also a swim shirt?
I haven't checked yet.
Okay.
Wait, and these look like swim shorts. And I like them. I wonder what's the next one.
Does that feel like a rash guard?
Totally was awesome.
I think it says totally jawsome. Like instead of totally awesome, but they said jaw because it's a shark. Get it?
And I think these two go together. together.
Yeah, the swim set. I think you're right.
Yeah. So the swimsuit all together, I would take a 12 out of 10.
Oh, wow. You really like them?
Yeah, really.
Cool. Is that everything out of your Stitch Fix Kids box?
Let me see. There's something at the bottom,
Oh, okay. Why don't you open that up?
which I haven't seen before.
Wow, you got a whole lot of stuff in that box.
OMG.
What can you show them what the front of them looks like? OMGs, cute. What do you think?
I mean, this, and this, I would take a 100 out of 10.
Oh, you really, really, really like that.
Yeah.
Okay, can you show us what your favorite things are? What are the things that you're hoping that we can keep from the box?
Getting this out.
Mm-hmm.
Because I really like it. These.
Can you show the camera?
These.
Oh yeah, you love those.
And let's see. And this one.
Oh, because that was so funny. So you really liked that shirt, the sandals, the palm tree shorts, and was it the swimsuit?
The swimsuit with the water sandals, I think, and the sliding shirt.
Awesome. Okay, great. Well, we'll have to go try those on and see what fits you.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was our Stitch Fix review and unboxing. Oh, and what did you think of your Stitch Fix Kids box?
I liked it.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Would you want to do Stitch Fix Kids again?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your favorite part about getting a Stitch Fix Kids box?
That you never know what you get and that you can turn the box into like a lot of things. Robot.
Yeah, that's true. The box gives you a lot of ideas of what to do. Yeah? Do you think other kids might like to do a Stitch Fix Kids box?
Yeah.
Yeah, you think so?
Mm-hmm. I would recommend that.
You would recommend that?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Well, I know that Owen has been growing so much in the past few weeks. Most of his clothes don't fit him anymore, so this was perfect timing.
Yep.
Yep, and this is the start of summer when I know he's going to grow a ton more. So this is perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for watching our Stitch Fix Kids review and unboxing. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye.
Bye.